Hey guys, what's going on? Today is December 30th. It is a Monday, and it is around 10 a.m. and I am trading with the paper trading. So this is live. Um, so let's just get into it. I noticed before that usually when I was trading right when the market opened, I usually didn't want to trade because there were no established patterns during um, when the market was open. Like there were no established patterns of when the market was open because the market just opened. So today I'm trying it a little bit later to see if now that I have a little bit more to go off of since it's been a little bit of time since 8:30, maybe um, it'll be a little bit easier. And let me get rid of this DMI study just for now because that's for my swing trades later. So yeah, let me just hide this one for now so I can have more time. I mean, sorry, have more space with my RSI and a MACD. Okay, and more space for my chart as well. So let's look. Excuse me. Let's look at these two ETFs, CL and CL and NG. CL and NG. Okay, let's look at these. CL, not bad. Oh wow, that actually does not look bad. I'm gonna wait for this to break, and if it breaks, I might get in because yeah, I mean it looks like it's kind of trying to get, it's kind of you could say it's consolidating here, um, but yeah, looks like it's gonna get rejected or it's gonna bounce. Sorry, it's gonna bounce off this middle VWAP, and we don't want that. I don't want that. I want it to fall back down to maybe like around this area or even it might get it might bounce off like this kind of line area, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to go past that, and I might even wait for it to come down here. But I might just like that. That's not. Well, that's kind of terrible. But we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, let me get my phone. Um, I like to use it to look at the alerts that come up. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for that. But right now it looks like it's trying to bounce up back here, and that's just not enough margin for me. A profit margin for me. Looking at NG, very nice. Okay, okay. Looks like it's trying to maybe make its way back up to a previous resistance. Maybe here. This looks like it's been shown to be a kind of good resistance. So so we'll look to see if it's able to come up there, and if it does, I'm gonna ride it back down. But right now, looking at NG, looking at where it is right now, it looks more like it's going in for a downtrend than for an uptrend, which means I'm probably gonna take a part of DGAS today. MACD looks good. Looks like it's trying to build its way back up to this sort of resistance area. Our RSI looks pretty high. Could be a little higher than for me to take a position if I wanted to downtrend. 56 is actually, it's all right. 53, yeah, it's all right. So definitely, definitely going to keep a lookout on NG. Looking not too bad. If yeah, so yeah, it's kind of had this sort of up and down. Yeah, that's 30.3% on NG. Not bad. I am looking forward to come back up here to take a position on this one. Wow, 59. Okay, that's actually pretty high, but it has gone up here before. And when it was down, okay, when it was okay, actually, when it was over here, The RSI was about 58, 56. If I took it to position on Diaz right now, I'd only get about 0.21%, and it already seems to be kind of getting rejected off this kind of sort of area. Um, that's not good. Let's see where Diaz is right now. Okay, so Diaz is actually it's down here. You know what? Let me see here. Okay, I'm gonna take a position on Diaz. Um, just take like a 5. Okay, yeah, 872. That's fine. Um, yeah, I'm gonna take a small position on Diaz. Um, so I believe I bought, yeah, 5. So yeah. So my remaining is about 9. Um, the remaining position I want is about 9 shares. Um, it actually looked quite good, I will say. Okay, there we go, coming back down. And if it, and I'm just gonna like if, and then I'm gonna put my stop loss at around this area. So if it does go back there, then I'm just gonna get out. But I don't like looking at the RSI, looking at the MACD. It doesn't look like it's gonna come back down. Um, I mean, it doesn't look like it's gonna go all the way up there. So yeah, that's what I think. But it does look good. MACD RSI look very nice. MACD starting to descend, very cool. Diaz, oh there we go, strong push up, and oh hold on, there we go. Okay, looks very nice. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this glob is one of my swings. So just don't worry about that one. So okay, so about $1.90 on the day. Not bad, not bad at all. Angie looking good. I think I'm just gonna buy the remaining 9 right now. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness, it just shot up. Very nice, very nice. Okay, MACD and RSI looking great. MACD looks like it can still go down a bit. It has not even reached the red yet, and it's already doing. It's already. Let's see if it'll break past this support line, and if it does, then you know we can. Then I'm gonna just sell like around this area, and if it does get rejected, okay. Let's see here. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for one more bar, and if that bar is green, I'm just gonna get out because now is a good time. It's gone up a lot, and I'm very happy with how. Okay, there we go. Even going a little bit farther, but even though it's going farther with that one candlestick, I'm waiting for another candlestick to reach past that point. Okay, it's green, not good, but it is below this candle this support line, so I'm gonna hold out for a while, for just a little bit. Just a little bit. MACD does look really good though. I'm holding out on that because of that MACD. This MACD looks great. I'm waiting for it to show red, and once it shows red, then we'll see. Oh, okay, perfect, perfect. This is amazing. Wow, $8 on the day. Awesome. Um, okay, yeah. I'm just gonna get out. That's where I wanted to. Wow, awesome. But that is the but that was the that was that was like the sorry, that was the resistance area. Uh, I was thinking, dang, if today has such good patterns, I might just switch over to my actual one. The reason that I didn't go on my actual one was because I'm more used to like trading in the 8:30 and stuff like that. But if it's doing this well, then I might just make two videos today. One where I'm doing simulated and one where I'm doing real. But even if it was real, I would have probably done the same thing. But that was cool, awesome, amazing. Wow, $12 on the day with DGAS. That is amazing. That is about 1%. Awesome. Let me see here. Yeah, that was awesome. 1.2%. I'm very happy with how that played out. Very, very cool. Yeah. So yeah, I really, really liked how that went, and everything just lined up perfectly. Oh wow. I just realized that for my simulated trading, I don't even have okay. Well, usually I have about three. I have three SMAs lines. Not this. I don't have a 180-day SMA line for day trading. That's usually for like swings and stuff to kind of get the pattern. But usually I have three SMA lines that help me with day trading. There's a 20, I believe. There's a 60. These are the lengths of the SMA lines. There's a 20. There's a 60, and there's a 100. And they just kind of the lengths just kind of tell you like how fast they change um, as a result of the stock going around the place. So yeah, usually I have those, and when the 20 and the 60 cross, and it's above the 100 SMA line, and the 100 SMA line is pointing upward. It's a really good sign to buy or to sell, depending on I guess which one it is. Like sometimes it's a buy signal, that's sell signal, buy signal, sell signal. So it's like depending on which one it is. But I just realized that I don't have that on this. Um, I don't have that on this that my simulated trading account, because on my real one I do. So I'm just not gonna worry about that because usually it doesn't really help that all at all much. So yeah, okay. Looks like NG is kind of consolidating right now, which is it's all right, but it's not great. Okay. Okay, yeah. RSI and MACD really helped me out with that last one. They were the main reasons why I took that trade. Because yeah, it definitely could have. If I just looked at the charts, I definitely would have thought maybe it could go back up to this resistance area. But looking at the MACD and looking at the RS and looking at the MACD and looking at the RSI, it definitely looked like it wouldn't. Because look at this. Here it was at like let's see, it was at 56, and beforehand it was at like 50, 57, 55. So based on the MACD, it definitely looked like it was at a resistance level, even though on the chart it didn't show it. And even though on the RSI showed a good, like it was showing, it was at a resistance, even though the chart did not. And the MACD definitely helped. It was clear that um, it was peaking out. It was about to come back down. It was about to have decreasing bars, decreasing green bars. So yeah, at that point, the tools help more than the chart. And of course, it always helps to trade with the pattern. NG is in the bottom two VWAPs, while DGAS is in the top two VWAPs because they are inverse of each other. Well, I mean, you guys and DGAS are inverse ETFs of each other, and you guys is the one that plays directly off of NG, while DGAS is the opposite of um, NG. And you guys finally looks like it's let's see here. It finally looks like finally looks like normal, I guess, from its reverse stock split. So it's been a few days where now it's been consistent. It's been a few days where it's been at this like 70 area instead of like $9 or something like that. So definitely looking good. Yeah, we'll just keep an eye out on you guys. Uh, if I was really trading with actual money, then I would just stop right there. Not only because I don't want to give back any of my profits, but also because 1%, but also because I don't know if I'm allowed to with the PDT rule, pattern day trading rule, which says you can only day trade 3 times within a week. I'm not sure if you can do more than one a day. What was that? Okay, CL. I think it just moved somewhere. Okay. Let's see, where did it go? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, okay. Wow, that's a very big sell-off. But it looks like okay, it broke it. That's nice. It broke it. I'm gonna put an alert up here to see if it'll come back up. But right now, yeah, MACD and RSI don't look too good. If you look at the MACD here, that's the kind of the area where it got rejected before. So still not a very good sign. Yep, and there we go. Looks like it's trying to build that support again. Okay, well, yeah, I don't know if you saw that, but there was a green bar. Okay, now it's red, so maybe it's trying to break. Just got to give it some time. But looking at the MACD, doesn't look good. It looks like it's trying. It looks like it's been here before, and it bounced off. It got rejected. So yeah, I'll just put that alert there, and I'm gonna put this alert here to see if it'll break past this sort of resistance support area. I mean, sorry, this sort of resistance area to see if maybe I want to take a position. But then again, I mean, it's only 0.2% or something like that, so not a great position. Okay, NG looks like it's still continuing to come down. Very nice. How much profit would that be? Yeah, you always have that, FOMO, like, oh man, I wish I had held, but no, I'm very happy where I sold. I saw the pattern, I saw the where it should have been, and I just took advantage of it. It had showed that there was a previous support area there, and I just sold. So yeah, when you have a reason for everything you do, then you're never gonna feel like, oh man, I should have held it, or I should have waited, because you had a reason for why you did what you did, and even if the stock went up even more than where you sold, well, you couldn't have controlled that, but you can control where you sell and where you take that profit. So yeah, I'm very happy with where I sold at. Okay. Looking at looking at NG. I'm probably just gonna keep on looking at NG for today. It looks very nice, very attractive. Looks like it's trying to break up above that support area before, but as we all know, or if you don't know, previous what is it? Previous supports become new resistances. So this is a previous support, and now it's becoming a new resistance. Let's see if it can break past above this again, and then we can maybe try to, if it'll come back to this position, to this point, and then maybe we can ride it back down and degas again. So that'd be awesome. Huh. Okay, looks like it kind of got rejected by that resistance, because now this is resistance. Previous support, new resistance. Um, it's really trying to get back up there. So yeah, we'll definitely see. I might be a little far away from the mic. But yeah, we'll definitely see. I'm gonna just put an alert there to see where it goes. But right now, not looking very good. Based on these two kind of small candles, doesn't look like it's gonna be able to break past it. So that's cool. All in favor of DGAS. CL, don't think there's really been an alert triggered on CL yet. Yeah, the last alert that I had was CL when it broke past that sort of line. Oh, but it's getting close. Wow. Okay, so yeah, at that point, the MACD and the RSI didn't really help that much, because the MACD, even though there was that previous point, that peak down there, it just blew right past it. So not looking good, or maybe it does for DWT. Let's see, how much is that? How much is that kind of swing? Oh wow, okay. Wow, actually that's kind of terrible. Man, it's only 0.6%. Okay, that's kind of terrible. Yeah, it just moves too slow. CL moves too slow. I gotta if I wanted to get 1% on the day, I'd have to hold it for like forever. And I don't want to do that. I want something like what I just had with NG. That was probably like the most perfect um, like position I've ever had. It was just so quick, you know. Uh, how long was that? 5 minutes at the most, 6 minutes for it to just go to where I wanted to, and I could sell it. And the MACD and RSI just behaved perfectly. With the but with UWT, DWT, it looks like whoops, yeah, that's a I think that's an index, yeah, an index for the biotech industry. I don't know about y'all, but personally, I don't really like the biotech industry. It's too volatile. I think I've said this before, where it's like you never know if they're gonna get like FDA approved. Whoa, ho, ho, whoa! You never know if they're gonna get FDA approved. I was just looking at DWT and how it just went down so suddenly. But going back to what I said about biotech, you never know if they're gonna be like FDA approved, or if their stuff is gonna, is gonna be ethically made, and if that's gonna have an impact on the sales and all this other stuff, or if the medicine actually works, or any of that stuff. It's just way too volatile. And news, I mean, yes, news is supposed to affect the stock market, but that industry just gets affected way too much. I mean, it just bounces around like it's nobody's business. It's terrible. Uh huh. Okay. Oh, okay. So yep, CO definitely broke it. Oh, damn! Holy crap! What happened? Today's Monday, right? Yeah, today's Monday. Oh my god! Oh my god! Dang! I wish I could take a part of that. What happened? But man, oh my gosh, that is crazy. That is 0.3%. Oh my gosh. Usually you only see like bars this big on Wednesday when the crude oil report comes out because that yeah, I don't know if you've seen my previous videos where I had a day where I traded the NG report, but it's kind of like that where the news just drives the stock up or down so much and it's just crazy. But wow, that is amazing. I have. Let me see. Is there anything that came out today? Oh, or no, actually, it would be on CL. Um, yeah, well, 10 o'clock. Not even that much. Um, let me see here. Is it gonna load? What's going on? I don't know what's going on. I don't know why the story's not loading. Okay, whatever. But oh my goodness, crazy. Sorry, I'm just I don't. Sorry, I went quiet for suddenly. I was just looking at a text, talking about how to write how to write dates in this new 2020 year where you should not write it as okay. Say for example, it's 1/1/20. You should not write it as 101/01 slash just 20 because usually we just write 19 or whatever because anyone can change it to 01/01/2000 or 01/01/2019 because 20 is the I guess century date or whatever. Okay, yep, looks like NG got rejected by that previous support, new resistance. That's cool. That's cool. Let me see here. Okay, that's cool. Then what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna wait for it to come back up. Wait for it to come back up. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Looks like it's trying to come back up. Come back up, and then I'll take another position on Diaz. That's another nice 0.3%. Very nice. Let me look how long I've been live for. Okay, about 20, 24-ish minutes. Okay, that looks quite nice. No, but usually if you look at the RSI, yeah, it's been up here before. So I'm just gonna hold out on a little bit longer, just a little bit longer. And also the position, like the margin for loss at that point is like 0.818, and that's about zero point 0.3. So not great. Not too bad either. I will say not too bad, but not great. So yeah, I'm going. Oh, okay, very nice, very nice. Yeah, I'm just take a small position on DGAS right now. Looks very nice. Let's just take instead of I think I did 5 before or 8. I'll just do 5 again on the market. 5. That's cool. Okay, yeah. So okay, looks like it came down a little bit more. Let's see here. Okay. Where did I buy it? I bought it at 176.16. Okay, that's cool. 176.16. Oh, okay, so that's about here. Okay, so it went down a little bit, a lot more. I'm just gonna look at NG. Okay, so it looks like it's continuing to trend back upward. That's cool. I might have gotten a little bit earlier than. Okay, never mind. Okay, it looks like it's trying to come back down. Cool, 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 cool. I'm gonna take a alert here to add on some more to my position so I can see better. But oh wow, awesome. So yeah, RSI. Wow, RSI. Well, depends. Let's see if this position will actually play out. But I was just about to say, RSI very useful. I don't think I've ever used it like that before, but then so maybe that's on me. That's my fault. But oh, okay, never mind. Okay, it kind of it trended back up. That's cool. That's cool. How many do I have? Okay, I have 2 on here. That's cool. Um, yeah, let me cancel one of the one on the top. Yeah, there we go. Why do I have this here? This should be. Wait, okay, hold on. This should be here, and then this should be there. So I can know. Yes, I can know when to buy some more shares. But looking quite good overall. On the day, okay, well on open, I'm down like 0.95 cents, and that's not too bad. I can deal with that. Looking quite good overall. Okay. Okay, cool. Hopefully it's not gonna try to consolidate like it did over here. It's gonna suck. I don't want it to take that long. But I'll be patient. I'll be patient. Okay. Looks like it's trying to trend back upward. Not too great. But based on RSI, it has gotten rejected here before at this point, so we'll definitely see where it goes. But I definitely have a nice. I have a place where I want to stop loss out, and I have a place where I want to take a profit. Okay, that's not great. So I know exactly where I want to go. I'm just gonna let it go for now. If it if it does happen to touch that new resistance area here, then I'm just gonna get out. No biggie. Not too worried. Let's see here, and I'm just gonna make a market order because I don't want to do limits or anything like that. I don't want those big institutional people to know. Oh, okay, well, okay, it kind of touched it. I don't know if you want to consider that, but okay, yep, that's it. All right, out of here. Got him. Hold on, let me just see if I can get a little bit better price. Um, hmm. Let's see here. If not, then yeah, I'm gonna just send it. But I'm just seeing if I can get for a little bit better price and lose just a little bit. Okay, yep. Get out of there. Dang. Okay, so yeah, got one good trade, got one bad trade. But dang, that was okay. Wow, that took quite a bit. Dang, that took about half my money. But I guess it just goes to show, you know, I didn't wait enough. So that's what I learned from there. I didn't wait enough on that one. Um, and also, well, I waited too much to sell, but I didn't wait enough for the um, uh, for the buying point. It was a bit too early. I should have waited for it to just come back up here. But looking at the RSI, it looked nice, I guess. But yeah, I should definitely take into account the chart next time. I probably should have waited till it come back here, and then if probably should have waited till this point maybe where it was touching this resistance area, and then at that point decide what I want to do. Because yeah, if I looked before, that's also a resistance area, not just there. That was more. I should have looked at that because yeah, that was more like consolidation than anything. So yeah, that was also a resistance area, and then this point could have been a nice, looking at our side, could have been a nice area to take a position. Um, but yeah, if I had not taken that trade and I would have taken this trade, then I would probably get it out at this point because yeah, this looks way better. Okay, maybe wait a little bit more for the RSI to show that it's decreasing green bars, but after that, yeah, that would have been nice. But I don't want to risk any more of the money that I made today, and I think I did pretty good. So I think I'm just gonna leave it here. It was a very cool day. I loved it. That first position just amazing. Need more like that. But yeah, hope y'all learned something. Hope y'all had fun. See y'all next time. Bye.